Um, when I go out the room, I call him on the phone. I don't know what the fuck I thought he could do over the phone, but I'm on the phone with him. I go to the front door to get the food because I'm thinking, okay, like the bird's still down there. Why the fucking bird is sitting right by the front door? Right by the front door, like. So at this point, I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do, but it's like a little bird, y'all. It's like a small little bird. So I don't know what the fuck to do. I don't know what came over me, but I just walked towards the bird to see if it would walk away. I walked towards the motherfucker and he just started walking away. So it's probably scared me how I'm scared of him. You know what I'm saying? We scared of each other. This pasta ain't on shit. I'm pissed. Damn, am I gonna be wrong if I eat his food? I could always order him some more. But anyway, I go outside. The bird is, I don't know, like black or brown, gray. I don't know. I'm about to show y'all though. Y'all want to see it? Listen though. Why I go? So the doors is like big doors. So I'm like, okay, well maybe if I go out the door, like the bird will fly out. So I'm going towards the door. I get out the door. I open up the door real wide, thinking the motherfucker gonna come flying out the door. This motherfucker then went and got on the couch. The bird went and got on the fucking couch. Ugh, why does filter making me look like that? The bird got on the couch, y'all. The bird is on the fucking couch. So I get the food, and I'm so damn, but I'm like a little paranoid. I want to ask the man who came and who dropping the food off, like, you will come in and get this bird out the crib. But I can't do that. And I'm just like, I come back in the house, he just sitting on the couch like he was just chilling. Like, I'm in this bitch. And it's like, he didn't want to leave out the house, so what I'm supposed to do? I don't know what to do. What I'm supposed to do? I think I had the door open. And you know how like glass doors and stuff be like, so the bird probably thinking it's outside. I don't know, maybe that nigga be going to people's crib. I don't know, but it's a bird in the house for me. Oh yeah, the room door closed for sure. This pasta nasty as hell. I'm gonna just try some of Mario food because I ain't gonna eat it all. I'm gonna just try it, make sure it's good for him to eat. I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna just try it. But this shit looks so good. Get a broom. I don't know how the bird got in here, y'all. I'm telling you. I was just in here, just chilling. I'm laying down. And I got up. And when I got up, I start hearing shit. And I'm like, the fuck is that? So I called my boyfriend. And I go see what it is, and it's a fucking bird. Like, they ain't even here. Get a broom. I don't need no broom. This shit ain't all that either. That's some shit you eat when you drunk. I done waited 2 hours for a salad. Brought the wrong salad. Now I done just ordered this. And this is just like, this here's okay. My shit ain't hitting on nothing. Like, this shit you eat when you drunk. Anyway, I don't know what to do about the bird. But I'm about to show y'all how small it is. So y'all can see why I ain't that scared. But I'm still a little scared. Cause that shit was nasty. And Fiji water nasty too. So I'm just having a fucked up day. Let me show y'all this fucking bird. Shit. Oh fuck. Okay, y'all. Keep it and name it. Oh nah. Oh shit. What if the motherfucker right by the door? Okay. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh shit. This motherfucker trying to keep this motherfucking bird is probably plotting on me, y'all. Where the fuck is the bird? I hear it. Listen, I know you probably just as uncomfortable as me. But we could do this the easy way. We could do this the hard way. Because on Instagram, they telling me to get a broom. And I don't want to have to do that. But if you force my hand, where the fuck is it? Y'all, the motherfucker is playing with me. I don't know which way to go. Oh my God. I'm gonna go around. I know the fucking bird is in here because the doors are fucking shut. Where did that little motherfucker go? God probably telling me, Ariana, go sit the fuck down. Why you trying to play? Why you trying to play bird catcher? But it's just like, where did it go? You think if I make a whole bunch of noise, it'll come out? I just want to get it out the door. But where is it? Is the... Y'all hear it? The fucking bird is fucking with me. I hear it. Y'all hear it? This shit is starting to scare me now. Maybe if I just open the back door. I'm gonna open the back door. And maybe I'm just leaving the back door. I don't know. Why can't I find the bird? Okay. I don't know. I think everything is just scaring me now. I'm about to just go ahead and take my dumb ass back in the house because I'm starting to think shit crawling over me and shit. I don't know. I can't find the bird. And I can't leave the door open. It is what it is. What if the motherfucker that went in my room and I left the door open? All right. I'm getting the broom. Since this is what you want to do. You want to play hide and go seek. Marco Polo ass nigga. You want to start squeaking when I walk away. But when I post up, yeah, you don't want to come out. Because you know what's up with me. Yeah. Yeah. Where you at? Because now I done got pissed. Now you done pissed me off. I'm not going to keep playing with this bird. Where you at? Where you at? Where's you at? I'm still scared. Where you at? Because now you done pissed me off. Because now I done went outside, went all around the house, and you still ain't came out. Now you trying me. I know you in the kitchen. I hear you. I just don't see you. Come out. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen. If you hungry, say that. Come out the kitchen. Y'all, the bird is in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm trying to hide myself up so I won't be scared. Come out the kitchen. Come on. Am I seeing shit? Oh, it's the TV. Yo. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this bird's, at this point, I'm in the kitchen, but I don't want to go all the way in the kitchen because I know it's in the kitchen. I don't have a bird, y'all. I don't have a bird. A bird from outside flew in the house. I just need to get it out of the house for real because I don't know what birds have. I don't see the bird. It's not. I'm in the kitchen and I don't see it. It's making me so nervous. I'm getting anxiety. Yo. Are you hungry? There go the bird. Oh shit. Fuck, I can't turn my camera. Y'all, how the fuck I'm supposed to do this? There you go. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God. There you go. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh shit. Bitch, there go the bird. Now listen. You gotta get out of here. Y'all, there go the fucking bird. There you go. Told y'all. The motherfucker probably done watched me this whole time. You up there on top of the thing, you being sneaky. You being sneaky. Oh my God. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? This motherfucker. Oh, he about to fly, he about to fly, he about to fly, he about to fly. He going around and shit. Look at him, look at him. Look at the motherfucker. You gotta get out, boo. You cannot be in here. Get out. He gotta get out, y'all. Shit. Y'all, what am I? You stay as long as you want to. You can stay. I'm not fucking with these animals and shit. So let's do it. Yep. Set my left man's right back down. I don't know who the fuck I thought I was. Nope. Get in bed. I'm acting like I ain't even see the motherfucking bird. Nope. No, sir. Nope. 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 Know what the fuck I thought I was about to do, but I ain't about to do shit. Fuck that. Mm-mm. Hell no. Nope. Mm-mm. Go ahead. Let my nigga handle that. I ain't dealing with that shit. Hold on. Shit. But sit down, finish eating my nasty ass pasta. Watch me a movie. Nope. Y'all. Told y'all there was a bird in here. He just flew at the window. He want to go outside. I should have left the window. I should have left the door open so he could go outside. He just got too rowdy. He started doing too much. Y'all, for real. I need some water, shit. I don't know what the fuck I thought I was even gonna do when the bird don't speak English and I don't speak bird. Like, what the fuck did I think I was about to do? It's finna get dark out. I don't know what the fuck finna go on. I'ma just stay in the room. I'm straight right here. Well, do y'all get birds? What do people do when bird give them some seeds? I ain't got no seeds. No, for real. Because y'all, what am I supposed to do? The birds in the house. I done opened up the door. I feel like he was trying me the whole time. I feel like every time I walked off, he started want to make noise. Like, it's like you want to play Marco Polo. I'm not with that shit. You a whole animal. I'm human. Like, we don't play games together like that. Like, you not a puppy. You not my pet. I don't know you. You trying to play and shit. Like, want to make noises when I walk off. Like, nah. Then I'm in the kitchen the whole time. You up on the chandelier in the kitchen looking at me while I'm looking dumb as hell. That you don't want to say shit when I walk in the kitchen on the chandelier. You just want to watch me be goofy as hell. But when I walk off, you want to try say something before I walk back up in the kitchen. Like, look at this dumb bitch. Don't know where I'm at. Thought I just seen something else, man. I'm finna go. I gotta get out this house for real. I can't. Nope. No. I don't play with animals and shit, y'all. I'm not with that. I don't know what's going on. I'm not giving him no bread. I'm not fucking with him. But it's a little bird. Y'all see, ain't no big ass bird. It's a little bird. I don't know what the fuck to do. Whack it? I am not about to whack that bird. Are you crazy? Yeah, when Mario get back, I'm gonna get on live so he can so y'all can see if he gonna do something about it. He gonna be writing this motherfucker with me like, I ain't fucking with no bird. I don't know if it's bread in that kitchen. I don't want to go in that kitchen and the bird be in there mad as hell because I ran. It's still in there. Mario needs to have him come home for real. I can't do this. I'm nervous in the motherfucker. I feel like the bird want to let some more birds in here. He probably trying to bait me to open up the door so he could let his homies in the crib. I'm not doing that. That's why I see I'm not closing the door, because you don't let your homies in here. I'm not with that. Finna be in here terrorizing me, fucking with me and shit. Mm-mm. No, sir. Mm-mm. I'm telling you. I can't. Y'all just think this is so funny. Now, what if the bird bite me? Do birds get, what's it called? You know how motherfuckers got rabies and shit? Do birds got shit like that? I'm hearing shit now. That's probably his homies at the door. No. See, they do. I'm not with that shit, y'all, for real. I don't know what the fuck to do. Motherfucking bird in the house. What would y'all do if a bird was in y'all crib, like posted up? I'm eating some this now laters, the soft ones. God, animal control. Hell no, they ain't finna charge me $1,500 to do the same shit I could do. I'm just scary as fuck. Oh, that's why you would call animal control, because you're scary as fuck and they're not scary as fuck. Nah, I need to see Mario come in here and tussle with this motherfucker. See how tough he is. Leave that motherfucker right out there. Mm-hmm. They ain't gonna charge. That's free. I don't want to open the window because I don't want to open the window because if I open up the window, I told y'all I think he's trying to let his homie them come in the crib. Because, but then again, I don't know, because he did just flag against the window a little bit. Trying to get out. Get the broom. Oh. Y'all trying to gas me up. My heart's still racing from just a couple minutes ago. Until you never called me back, this wouldn't have happened if you was on my phone. Y'all take what's up? I'd be on the floor. He would not know what the fuck. He'd be going crazy. He would not. He'd be right in this room with me like, we gonna let that motherfucker do whatever he want to do. I'm hearing shit.
Wait, is the bird still in the house?
Yes. He is in here today. He is trying to, I think he's trying to get me. Let me tell you, every time I walk,
How the fuck did you let a bird get in the house?
I don't know, I think I left the door open.
Bitch, they about to have he about to allow all his gang members in that bitch, and they finna run a train on your ass.
No, for real. You think I should get a broom?
No, bitch, get a knife.
Hell no.
You gotta aim. They said when you try to kill a bird, aim for the heart. So yeah, you need to
You
go
going to
kill his
hell.
ass.
That bird is
Go kill
so
him
strong. No.
or
Kill the
pet him
bird. Pet?
or pet him.
I'm not petting no fucking bird.
Why birds are sweet.
I think you scared me.
Go back out there. Let me see it.
You
It's
just
not
saw
gonna
it.
harm you. No,
You
I want
just
to see
saw
it
it.
in person.
Hmm?
I want to see it in person.
You just saw it on live.
No, go back in there and let me see it because I can talk to it.
Okay.
Ari, just go in there. Let me see how the bird look.
Oh no.
What if it fly in the room?
Hmm?
You know, if I was there, I would have been on the floor, probably under the bed somewhere.
You think I should go up there again?
Go see where it's at.
He play too much.
Do the bird.
Hmm.
It's flying around.
When I go out there, he be quiet. And then when I like walk off, he start making noises because he want to fuck with me.
Let me see how it look. It probably flew out. Did you leave the door open so it can fly back out?
No, because he trying to let his homies come in.
You looking at it?
No, I think I see something else.
Something else,
Oh,
bitch.
that's
What the
the
fuck, bitch?
floor. Gee, I'm tweaking out now. Now I need to get up out of here for real. I need to go
Yeah, you
on
need
some
to call
serious
my.
shit. No, I really do need to call him and tell him to come on. I'm about to
No,
call him.
seriously, you need to go get in the car and leave.
I'm finna call him crying.
There's no way you're by yourself with a bird trying to run a train on you.
Yeah, it'd be like the birds trying to run a train on
Where
me.
his gang members, they gonna come in that bitch pecking on your ass.
You think I should open the door?
What?
You think I should open the door?
Yes, I want to see how it look.
No, I mean the door outside. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. But you know how it be like that time where you just should have sat the fuck down. I don't want to be. I
No,
don't want
you
to.
should have just put your face mask on,
What's that gonna do?
just in case they try to peck you. You got on long sleeve.
Hmm.
That
But I don't have no
bird
pants
about to
on.
beat your ass. I want to see how it look. Cause you can't just stay in that room.
I really pray to God that this do not be this time where you just should have sat the fuck down like you said. Should I put some house shoes on?
You know, some socks, cause they like feet.
I'm gonna go out there one more time. Where
Oh
the
my
fuck is that
god.
pussy? I'm going out there ready to fight though this time. It's about to go down.
What if it's gone?
It's not gone.
But how did he come in there through the balcony?
Don't talk too loud. Okay, so this the first door, right? And then this the other door. I put, if I go
Wait, flip the camera
The bird could be right here.
on the floor. Probably there.
Okay. I don't see. I'm scared.
Where's it at?
Huh? Huh?
Where's nah?
You see it?
You talk about some huh? He probably left.
Did not leave. He don't have nowhere to go.
It's probably lizards in there.
Huh? You think he's still in the kitchen?
No, he probably flew out. You don't hear it. They be usually making these little noises.
There's nowhere for him to go. There's nowhere for him
Out
to
the
go.
door.
The doors are closed. All the doors are
You
closed.
should have opened it. So you done fucking left the, but you done let the
Oh,
fucking
here you go.
bird.
Here you go. Here you go. I think that's it. That's it. That gotta be
Let me see. Uh-uh.
it.
Feed him.
Is that him or is that another animal?
It's another one.
I don't know.
Is that it?
I don't know. I think so. You
Feed
think
it.
I should? You think I should tap it?
I'll feed it.
Feed it what? Is
Some
that
bread.
even the bird? Or is that something else?
Oh, hell no, bitches. You got a zoo over there?
I don't know.
Fuck you mean you don't know if it's the bird?
Hey,
Bitch. I'm telling you, you gotta do this bird thing. It's like
hey. Is that the bird or
um
not?
yes, because I don't think chandeliers got black stuff in it.
Oh, that's it. No, that's something else.
Nah, bitch. If that's something else, you gotta get up out of there. You gotta do the bird call like
Is that the bird? That gotta be the bird. Come here.
you need to get the broomstick and poke it.
Why is he taking a nap?
What? No, bitch. It's gonna motherfucking lay eggs in there. Y'all need to get up out of there.
Oh, we already going to another house because this is not. Hey,
This
hello. I'm
cannot.
speaking.
No, you gotta do like this.
Is that the bird or is that something that's just up there?
Can they hear me? Can they hear me? I think it can hear me. I'm
Is
getting
that
out of breath doing this shit.
I think he's asleep. Oh, maybe
No,
I should
you
turn
have to
on.
go poke it.
I'm gonna turn on the light on this chandelier. He gonna be
You
pissed.
turn it off and turn it back on.
I'm
You
scared.
turned it off?
I'm about to. Okay, let's see. It's the light right here.
Turn it on and turn it on. No, turn on the chandelier. Is that the bird though?
I don't know.
What
I
is,
don't know.
what is it?
I don't know. I don't know if it's a bird or if it's not the bird or if it's something else.
Pack your shit and get up out of there. Hurry up. I'm finna call the animal control.
I don't know if it's the bird or if it's something else.
Mm-mm. That's wrong. Fuck with LA.
I'm getting so paranoid now because why is it not?
I don't know where that's been at.
It's not in the kitchen. I don't see it.
I'm about to call the animal control.
And I don't. They're not making no noises no more. They gotta be a bird.
Something ain't right, Ari. It's you need to go poke it.
I'm scared. I don't know what to poke you with. I don't know what I'm wrong. I don't know where nothing is in here. I just need to go back in the room like a regular normal black person would.
Go get your flat irons and poke it.
I'm gonna throw something at it. What
It
can I
ain't no
throw?
knife in the drawer. I'm telling you.
I'm not throwing nothing.
That's what you gotta do.
I'm so nervous.
No, you
If it's
gotta
just
make
a
the
little
bird
bird, I
noise.
would slap the shit out this bird. Serious, I swear to God.
Bitch, imagine you slapping the bird and all the gang members come in.
Listen, bruh.
Just go up to it and be like, ah!
No, he is asleep. Nigga, you cannot sleep
See,
in here. Don't pay
y'all
no
letting it
rent,
get too
nothing.
comfortable.
Hello. He don't give a fuck.
You letting it get too comfortable.
I did let him get too comfortable. I'm about to play future song. Bitch, don't get too
Yeah,
comfortable.
bitch, don't get too comfortable.
Maybe he'll get the picture. Hold on. What's the song called? What's the song called?
Bitch, don't get too comfortable. Play some loud ass music.